how we've been, got ourselves some lunch, and we are back for part 2 at the home University Centre Peterborough. Peterborough!
Cada día una aventura, una oportunidad. Es mi manera de vivir la vida y qué más da. Sé que no todos los días sale el sol, no todo el mundo piensa, no todo el mundo piensa como yo.
18112. For London King's Cross. Nothing new.
Why don't you slow down and stay?
Here comes a faster King's Cross. 43206. To 43316. Just now arriving in to terminate the service from London King's Cross, and for the first time today it is a single 365. I don't think I'll be able to get the number for you, so anyway, what do we have on the service today? We have 365 533. This is 5533. Now coming in, the 1316 East Coast service from King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. 92105. And on the rear we have 82213. There goes 533 back to London King's Cross. Thanks, mate. 17115 with a rather awesome driver. From Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport via Cambridge. Just now coming in. 1329, I believe. East Midlands train service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. Is it probably one of those that I saw earlier? No, it's not. It's 158799. It's 158799 on the Liverpool Lime Street train. East Coast service from, I believe, Leeds to London King's Cross. I don't think it's Leeds, but I'm taking a guess. 82202 to 91. I don't know what the 91 is. 91128. That's what the 91 is. There's a Greater Anglia here. not really expected until like 40 odd. Mind you, it is 37, so. Oh, 172.08's back. For Peterborough, which is here. You probably see over there the service from King's Cross whilst coming in to terminate on platform 2. This will form, the 1346. First Capital Connect service to London King's Cross. But for now it's terminating here at Peterborough as we say hello to 365-536. 365-536. Rufus Barnes. Now leaving would be 1340. East Midlands train service to Norwich. 158857. Almost missed that one, but that's a fast to Leeds. No, fast to Edinburgh Waverley. There goes Rufus Barnes heading back to King's Cross, 365-533. No, 365-536. Apologies. There goes 172.08, working the 1350 Greater Anglia service from here to Ipswich in the new Brex livery, as you saw in part 1 of the video. Leaving now, 1451 East Coast service. I don't know where it's from, but I know it's going to London King's Cross. And 8209, 119. Awkward. Because they both have 9 on the end. So what about? Here comes the 1355 East Coast service from King's Cross to Leeds. 43274. And 43. And Celtic 50, which is 43367. Sorry guys, my mouth is full of twirl. Anyway, terminating in off London King's Cross. Sorry guys, I'm eating. Oh, the direct to Peterborough. 365-527. Yeah, it's Robert Strike, Passengers Champion. Been waiting for that one. Score.
Down the middle then.
Here's the faster Sunderland.
Oh wow.
From King's Cross. Now leaving. 365-527 on the 1416 service for London King's Cross.
It's amazing how they stay on the
Is a
rails, isn't it?
This is forming the 1418. No, not 1418. I don't know, but it is going to Edinburgh Waverley. That's what I do know. 91,118 to 82. 91,118 to 82,226. This is the 1418. Cross-country service to Stansted Airport. 170, 100. Now arriving in the 1423, I believe. On this platform. And here's 158865 for Liverpool from Norwich. Here's a light engine 66 with nothing on it. 66701 loaner. 66701. That's only my third. That's my third freight train I've seen today. Because it's a freight yard, I would expect more. Now leaving with the 1433. Service to London King's Cross. And the fast to London coming up. Flattering a bit. 82, 91,121 and 82, 219, 211 is 82,220 and 91,111. Fast. Now terminating off of London King's Cross. 365 time again. Thanks, mate. The Norwich train's trying to creep up behind me as that arrives into the 1443 service. What do we have? 523 again. Now leaving with the 1443. Even train service 158806. There goes 365523, heading off to London King's Cross. Over there, my train, out of here, the 1450, service to London King's, no, not to Leeds. We're only interested in Newark Northgate. Let's see who we have today. Nice 106.